LRI this summer has been really good. Being around these people, these students, it's been an enlightening experience.
I'm learning a lot. It's a lot of information thrown at you, but when everybody works together in teams and everything, it's fun. It's a lot of late nights, but the information we're learning is extremely interesting.
It's so nice to like be in a group with like so many other people who's like all nerds. We're just like all nerds nerding out about radars for some reason.